Who knows where we're gonna go tonight, y'all. I know this feels good. Hey. Woo! Yes. That's what I needed, y'all. I haven't been on this street before. When I have, Loretta, it's got a nice little hill. I've been down here, but I haven't been down here on the bike. So let's just take it easy, cruise around, not make too much noise because we don't want nobody getting disturbed. Let's enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? I can cruise on my bicycle like this, but it would not be as fun, I don't think. I'm gonna start riding my bike more too, guys. I'm gonna strap the GoPro onto that bad boy, or into a bike helmet. Do that ninja riding. I think this goes up the Glenway. No, I don't want to take the walk up there. There's a lot of accidents on the street. Right now there's no construction. Sometimes I say I'm not going to do something and I do it anyway. I've ridden my bike down the street at 10 speed. I didn't like it too much. I think I can run the sidewalk hard away. Grown-ass man, y'all. 50-some years old. I need to stop acting like a scared-ass bitch and get out here and enjoy my bike. I'm out here enjoying my bike, to be honest. I don't need to be doing too much more than my skill level can handle. We're in real Price Hill, y'all. I've been thinking about coming down this way on my bike. This is where that kid got hit. Down here, somebody put out in front of him. He couldn't stop. He ended up getting severe brain damage. I'm not gonna go too far down here in the hood. The farther down you go, the riskier it gets. I'm gonna cut it off right here. I'm still gonna cruise still a little bit, but I'm gonna take the side streets. Yeah, I've been riding DB14. So as far as the switching gears, I felt a little rusty on that and everything. That's nice. That's real nice. That's how it is around here, y'all. That's why I said I'm gonna take the side streets. It's not as wild as it could be. You know, it started off with a nice hot spring, and then we had a little break, it cooled off, we had some rain. So now it's a little this little heat we have it today is a little bit kind of caught people off guard. They weren't ready for it. Kept them in the house. It was a little bit overbearing. Drill out. I'm just joyriding now, y'all. Thanks for coming with, hanging out with me while we do this thing. All the time I post all the video. Maybe I'll do some cuts. See you guys the cool stuff. If anything cool happens. I might cut out some of the boring stuff. Some of the more boring stuff, like just me sitting around talking or something like that. You know what, but I don't like to talk about it. I just like to be about it, you know what I'm saying? Rather than say what I'm going to do, make all these plans about how my channel's going to be. Rather than show you guys. I would pull into that parking lot and do some U-turns. But not this time. Yes, this feels great. Being out here with very few cars, enjoying the night like this.